Hi, this is Todd with Esoteric Car Care. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new updated formula for Gyeon MOHS. Gyeon MOHS, been around for several years now. Now for 2018, they've made some updates, as you can see on the labels of the new boxes. It's not a complete redesign. It's not a complete different formula. The biggest changes were in the drying catalyst of it. Makes it act a little bit different when you're removing it. They came out with an updated formula, just announced it at the SEMA show that we were at a couple of months ago, and now they just hit the shelves within this last week. And there's some new, other new coatings that come out that use MOHS as a base. They have the updated formula as well. So our stock now is all the 2018 product. As always with it, when you order up a kit of MOHS, you get the MOHS, you get all your applicators, you get Cure. Cure is what you want to use to maintain it. And for more information on properly maintaining coating, you can take a look at the video that we've got on how to properly maintain a coated vehicle. It talks in there quite a bit about what to use on top of coatings, what not to use on it. And with MOHS, you want to have something on top of it for sure, particularly something like Cure. Otherwise, you risk water spotting in the right setting. So make sure that you're using something designed specifically for maintaining coatings when you put it on top of MOHS. Last year, we did a very extensive video on MOHS. I mean, it was like 23, 24 minutes long. It went into a lot of the history about coatings and what they are and what they're not, what they do, what they don't do. There's a lot of hype, a lot of misleading marketing that goes on about coating out there. We try to tell it the way it is, take out the fluff, take out the hype, and just say, hey, this is what you're going to get out of it. This is not what you're going to get out of it. So make sure, take a look at that video as well. It's a very good watch, particularly for those who want to learn a little bit more about coatings. These come in a couple different sizes, 30 mil, 50 mil sizes. 30 mil for most cars, that's going to be more than what you need to do a couple of coats on it, and you can even use it to coat your wheels at the same time. With Gyeon MOHS, they recommend a minimum of 2 coats. Wouldn't do more than about 3 coats. You're not really going to get any benefit out of it there. And you run into an issue of the coating starts to reject itself once you start layering it. So doing a couple of coats on it, and the only other things that you'll need is you want something like Jian Prep to really do a good job of cleaning that surface prior to applying your coating. Once again, in that other video, I go into more details about the actual application process, but it's real simple. You're going to need a couple of towels for each layer that you're doing the removal. You want Prep to clean that surface beforehand, and everything else that you need is right here in this kit with all your applicators. In between layers, you're going to pitch your towels, and you're going to pitch the applicator that you use. Next time, you're going to start off with fresh towels, fresh applicator. And then the biggest thing with these coatings is allowing them to dry for a minimum of 24 hours. The longer that you can go, these continue to harden for about 5 to 7 days. The longer that you can go to keep them dry, the better. Also, Gyeon recommends you don't wash the car for a couple of weeks, and make sure after you've waited about an hour between coats in here, and then you'll wait at least a couple of hours after it's gone through some drying time before you use the Gyeon Cure afterwards, just to give it a sacrificial layer so it's safe to go out in the elements. Very easy product to use. It's always been one of the favorites for detailers because of its durability, its hardness level. Now it's just become a little bit better for 2018 moving forward. If you find you have any more questions about it, make sure and leave them in the comments below. Hit that like button. Don't forget to share our videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we're constantly updating new videos on detailing tips, tools, and techniques. That's about all for today for Gyeon MOHS 2018 and Esoteric Car Care. I'm Todd Cooperrider. Thanks, and we'll see you again next time.